In this video we're showing you how to set up and pack up a Trangia. Firstly, I'm going to show you some items you'd use. So we've got extra long matches to safely burn some fuel. We've got some chicken pasta that you could potentially cook on the Trangia. And methylated spirits. This is the fuel that you'd use to actually burn. For now, we're not going to use these items, we're just going to show you how to set up a Trangia. So let's move these out of the way. This is your Trangia. It comes with a bunch of different items. We've got the lid, the pan, the upper windshield, the lower windshield, loads of it, and of course the string keeping it all together. So now I'm going to take this apart and show you how to set one up. First you pull the string off, move that over there. This is going to be the base of your Trangia. This is the lid, pull it all out. Some Trangias may have a kettle, which is fine. We've got more pans and pots, a base. There's many different items in a Trangia to set it all up. So now you've got the base or the lower windshield, and you need to find your burner. This burner is in the kettle. The burner is extremely safe. It's got a lid and a safety lid. Just take that off. You put the fuel in there, but we're not going to do that in this one. You put the burner in the lower windshield. This is the mess where you tip it in, but again, we're not going to be using that. This is to control the power of the flame. We'll keep that closed for now. Next up, we've got the upper windshield. You can attach this by just placing it on the top and twisting it. And then you should be able to just pick it up with no problem. It should all stay secure. Remember to also move all items away from the cooker, as you will be placing fire. You can put a pan on the inside, and then this way you can put some water in it. You also have a lid, which you can also cook on. To do that, all you'd have to do is pull these up and place the lid on top. You also have the handle. This is the thing you can pull off your lids and pans with to make sure it's safe, because they will get hot, so please be mindful of that. It doesn't have to be the lid, of course. You can also grab a pot. If you are going to swap, you'll need to put the hooks down and then put the pot in. Make sure you're using the handle at all times. They will get hot. So for this example, we're going to put the pot in. Imagine it's got boiling hot water in it. And to get the water even hotter faster, you're going to put the lid on top. This will keep all the heat in, and so people know that it's hot, you're going to put the handle on top like this. Next, we're going to show you how to pack the Trangia back up. You need to make sure that the Trangia is cold, the flame has died out, and that there's no contents in the Trangia. You can start by taking the lid off, taking all the pans out once they're cleaned, unscrewing the upper windshield from the lower windshield. Make sure there's no fuel left, tip it out if need be. And then we can begin packing it all up. You're going to use the lower windshield as the base. Put the upper windshield inside of it. Lift up the hooks. You can place all the pots inside. If you have a kettle or a burner, put that inside the pot. Again, make sure it's all emptied. Everything's safe and secured. I'm going to put it in the kettle, put the kettle in the pots. I'm going to put the hooks down and then also put the handle in. Put the lid on top, that way it's all packed up. But I'll also need the string to keep it secure. Put the string in to the bottom first and around the bottom, back through the top. These can be quite finicky. Give it a go. Use the clip and seal it up. You have now packed a Trangia.